In this video, I'll show you how to install Python on your Windows 11 PC. So go to python.org and click on downloads, and the latest version of Python will show up here. Click on download Python, and then the latest version will be downloaded. Once the download is complete, click on the executable file and this window will show up here. The most important thing is you select add Python to path. Okay, so the second checkbox should be selected. This is most important part, and click on custom installation and check everything. Click on next, and if you want to install Python for all user, check this box. If not, keep everything as default. Okay, then click on install and it will start installing Python on your PC. So now Python setup was successful. So Python is successfully installed on this machine. Now you are ready to do any kind of A-driven development. You may want to install Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or anything. You also have ideally a interactive Python code editor, and you can now run Python script from your command prompt. Thanks for watching.